Hello everyone, we are from Sri Krishna College of Technology, Coimbatore. Now I am going to present our idea. There are many disabled people across the world. Their main problem is not their disability, but they depend others for their every moment. To avoid the dependency of the person who is in wheelchair, we have brought up with an idea. Smart wheelchair using voice recognition technology. This is hardware setup of our idea. Here we are giving power supply to the voice recognition module as well as the relay module. When the person in wheelchair gives their command, the voice recognition module recognizes that and gives the signal to the Arduino. Then the relay driver connected with the Arduino gets the signal and controls the movement of the wheels by driving the motor. The system also measures the heartbeat rate of the person as well as the temperature and humidity level of the environment. If any of those values cross the limit, the system will notify it. This is the working video of our idea.
Move, stop, rotate, stop, rotate, stop, move, stop, back, move, stop, back, stop, rotate, move, move, stop, rotate, stop, move, stop, back, stop, rotate, back, move, stop, stop, rotate, stop, move,